South African hip-hop artist Sandile Mkhize, well known as DJ Citi Lyts, has sadly passed away in a hijacking that led to him being shot 8 times last night in Soweto. DJ Citi Lyts is a younger brother to the late Pro Kid. DJ Citi Lyts is famous for his hit song along with Java Code Vura. It is the all-time favorite song to many South Africans, and it has also changed his life for the better and put him on the map. DJ Citi Lyts did music because he loved it and he knew how far his talent would take him. Our police officers need to stand up to crime like this because there are many South African celebrities who die like this, which is very sad. The details about his funeral has not yet been announced. May his soul rest in peace. There you have it, guys. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below and I will surely see you on my next upload.